Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to enable Mac filter on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin. Currently I'm on Cudy.net network. You can access this website at any time on any device which is connected to your Cudy Wi-Fi. Anyway, we want to head to Advanced Settings, and under Security we can see Mac filter. Here we can basically switch, by default it's disabled. We can switch from allow all except listed or allow listed only. If you want to blacklist someone from using your network by the MAC address, you want to basically set this to this option. But if you want to only allow very specific people to access your website, your network, then you want to go to allow listed only. Then this way you will create a whitelist, and that way you can create a blacklist. Anyway, after you've chosen your option, we can hit add, and here we can add our MAC address. If we expand this panel, we should see a list of all addresses from all the devices that are connected to our network, but we can also press custom in order to input our current MAC address. And you can always input some comment, for example, I hate that guy. After you've chosen something, you simply want to hit save and apply, and that person with this MAC address won't be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.